Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Strapi admin UI for cleaner content editing, full guide step by step clearly. To update the Strapi admin UI for cleaner content editing, begin by ensuring you have the latest version of Strapi installed. Open your terminal and navigate to your Strapi project directory. Run the command to update Strapi using npm or yarn. For npm, type npm install at strapi at latest. For yarn, type yarn upgrade at strapi. Once the update completes, check for any new features or changes in the Strapi documentation. Next, restart your Strapi server to apply the update. You can do this by running npm run develop or yarn develop in your terminal. Open your web browser and navigate to the Strapi admin panel. Sign in to your admin account to access the dashboard. To enhance content editing, consider customizing the admin UI. Head to the Settings option in the sidebar. Select General Settings to adjust the layout and appearance. Enable the Content Manager section for structured content editing. In the Content Manager, look for options to rearrange collection types. Drag and drop fields to prioritize important content sections. Now, let's simplify the content creation process. Open a collection type you want to edit. Review the fields and remove any unnecessary ones for clarity. You can add descriptive labels to fields for better understanding. Consider utilizing components to group related fields together. Navigate to components in the sidebar to create new ones. Once created, integrate these components into your collection types. This will streamline the editing experience for users. Next, implement conditional fields if your Strapi version supports it. This allows fields to appear based on user selections or criteria. To do this, access the field settings and define conditions. Test the new field structure in the admin panel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.